Hey guys, today I'll be talking about this premium mattress protector. I bought it for my king size mattress that I have in my bedroom. So as you can see, it has fine packed, and the best feature this mattress protector has it's like 100% waterproof. It prevents most kind of liquids to get to the mattress. If you spill something on it, it provides protection against stains, liquid spills, soda, or any fluids. I have kids who like to have a juice box on the bed, or my wife enjoying wine on the bed, and I sometimes like to have a snack or food on our bed as well. So this mattress protector could save my expensive mattress from getting ruined by the spillage. And the best thing about it is uh, it has extra soft and breathable material. It has a TPU back, and as you can see that there is no plastic noise, and all of the other protectors which I have used in the past, there is the kind of smell and plastic noise that comes from it, and I don't like that noise, especially at night time. I love to sleep in a quiet bed, and this mattress protector makes zero noise. So this was one of the main reasons why I bought this mattress protector. And it has TPU back, it's vinyl free, very soft, and has breathable material that don't give me night sweats. So it's pretty good. It has deep pockets to cover the mattress properly. You can call it a pocket or a skirt. It is flexible, as you can see, and it's excellent quality for the price, which is another good thing about it. And it's made of 100% cotton, which is very easy on the skin. It's not rough, as some people have sensitive skin. So this cotton is friendly for all types of skin, and it doesn't give me night sweats. I live in Southern California where we have extreme temperatures, especially in summer. So it's really good. It's machine washable, doesn't require any extra care. When it comes to washing it, it can be easily washed in a laundry washer. Overall, it's look like a thorough mattress protector, which gives the protection we need for the mattress, and it